Hey, Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with jazzWealth Managers. We work with those of you that are just getting started. You're within the first few years, 5-10 years of you saving for retirement. You don't know what you're doing and you want some professional help, but you don't want to go to the guys in the suit and ties, or they won't take your calls because you don't have enough money. Well, I hope you'll check us out at jazzWealth. Today, I want to give you 4 reasons that you will love working with jazzWealth. All right, the first thing, and probably the most important as far as the number of times I get asked this, is we're fiduciaries, right? That's just a fancy way of saying we won't sell you stuff, we won't offer you an investment, we won't invest for you unless it is perfectly suited to you. So first of all, we don't sell anything at jazzWealth, we only sell ourselves. We don't have any particular investments that we are obligated to sell, unlike a lot of the other places. So you know that when we invest for you, we make suggestions or we adjust your retirement accounts, you know that that's because we really think that's best for you at this current moment in time. So yes, we are fiduciaries. I love that. I will never change that. So you can just open up to us, be honest about what you have, and not be fearful that somebody is going to sell you something. The second thing is actually kind of interesting. I'm learning a lot here about this. So at jazzWealth, we are not trying to hide the brokerage firm that we use that you actually open your account with. So we use Folio Financial. They are amazing, and they are probably going to let me come up there and do a video to show you all of their offices, everybody that works there, and kind of how I work when I talk to those people up there. They are incredible, and we don't try to hide it. When you click Invest Now on jazzwealth.com, whether you're transferring a IRA, rolling over a 401k, maybe you're starting a new retirement account or a new investment account, it immediately takes you to Folio's sort of app where you're opening your account. Now you'll see jazzWealth there, so you know you're working with us. But we're proud of the fact that we work with a brokerage firm that gives our clients this advantage of no minimums, no trading commissions, no sort of games or garbage, and they don't require us to sell anything to you. You see, what I'm learning is, as I'm transferring accounts from other companies, I'm learning that they are not the ones that actually hold your money. There are some very large companies out there right now that manage retirement investments for you, and when I submit a request to transfer to us, I get rejected. All of a sudden, I find out that the names of these companies that you see advertised to you, they don't actually have your money. So the question is, who has your money? And it requires a little research to figure that out. That's scary. So you know when you're working with jazzWealth, we manage the account. You know it's at Folio. You know that if you need to do anything, that's where it's at. And I think that's important. We don't try to hide that. That's exactly who we're working with. The third thing you'll love about jazzWealth is we'll help you with your personal finances too. I actually love this part of our business. So managing retirement accounts, we do put a lot of effort into making sure you are constantly right where you need to be, but more importantly, I want to make sure you're making the right financial decisions. Now we offer a product to our clients called Nest Egg, and this will track every last dollar that you have, but also sort of share with us your progress. So it's important that every dollar is going in the right direction, which actually makes retirement investing that much easier. If you're constantly stressing about debts or bills or everything's just all out of whack, well, I love helping people get that funneled in. It could also be credit, it could be different debt types, it could be that you're buying a home or getting married or divorced and you want some help with your finances along with that. You'll love that. I will love helping you, and I try to work with every single one of our clients to walk them through that. I love that part of my job. All right, and the fourth reason that you'll love working with jazzWealth, and honestly, this took me 2 years to do this, I am so proud of this, is that you keep control of your money. Everywhere else on the planet is saying, yeah, you want us to manage your money? Stroke us a check. Wire us some money. Go ahead and transfer money to us and we'll invest it and everything will be fine. I don't like that, right? I would never give my money to somebody, so it took me 2 years to find a place that I could say, I want my clients to open up their own account. I want it to be in their name. I want only them to have access to the money, and I want my company to only be able to manage the investments. If any point there's a withdrawal button or anything like that, I can't work with that. I don't want anyone here at jazzWealth to be able to click withdrawal and have money come out of the client's accounts. So we actually did that using Folio. You open your own account. You'll actually go through the process. You will set up the transfer from your bank account to your new account. I can see it. I can help you with it. I cannot do it for you, okay? That's very, very important. We like to call that instant trust here at jazzWealth, because if you see me on a vacation with my family and I post on my social media, you know that you didn't pay for that, right? And I think that's so important. There is no reason why anybody should have to send money to somebody randomly to manage their money or their investments anymore. So I really, really love that. Took me a long time, but I'm glad we did it. Well, let me know in the comments below. Are you thinking of working with us? Does there something that makes you excited? Did I just say something that you've been stuck on? Maybe you've been checking us out for a while and you just weren't sure, but that something I just mentioned did help you? Let me know. We're also willing to set up a time to talk with you. It doesn't have to be a long time, doesn't have to be a scary, drawn out thing. How about 15 minutes? We'll just talk for a little bit, tell me where you're at, and if we're a good fit, I'll tell you. If not, I'll actually tell you where to go and how to set up your account going forward. Well, I hope you liked that video, and if so, then there may be another one up there that you're interested in. If you're thinking of opening or transferring a retirement account from somewhere else, click our logo over here and that'll take you to our website to get started, or you can then click Chat with Jazz, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.